So this hive, which was the second swarm, seems to be doing really well. I did not see a queen in there, but that's not to say she isn't or she's not out on a mating flight. No eggs, no larvae yet. In this hive, where I saw a queen hovering around, and now I've gone in and inspected, and there's been 2 of the queen cells have hatched. So we put 2 or 3 queen cells in here, and both of them have hatched, and I see no queen. So, and there's not much activity around the sugar. I don't know if it's because of the ladders that are homemade ladders in the sugar feeder. But what I'm going to do right now is take you over to the main hive. So the main hive, we had one of the frames that had 4 queen cells on it. And I just went in here and inspected and saw a queen and stopped. As soon as I saw a queen, I stopped the inspection and left it alone. I'm not trying to find out if she's got any larvae or not. I just want to know that there's a hatched queen in here, because this is the hive that was spawning all the swarms. Now this frame right here has a bit of honey on it. And let's see, it must be on the other side. My apologies, I'm going to set the camera down for just a minute while I spin this frame around. This might be my first edit, is to put an arrow on that. That little peanut looking thing is a queen cell. And that may or may not have been in there during our last inspection on last Sunday, on the 11th. But that is an unopened queen cell, and I was just in this hive and I saw a beautiful queen in this hive. So since that other hive over there has had 2 queens hatch, but there's no queen visible in there, I am going to take this over and put it in there and attempt to split one more time. So I've captured 2 swarms. My original hive has requeened, and this is my second attempt at a split. So that's it for now. I'm not going to try to hold the camera while I'm carrying this over there, and I don't want you just looking at nothing for a minute. So hopefully this goes well. This will be my second attempt to create a hive for my neighbor Marshall. And of course, if it fails again, I'll end up giving him one of my 3 successful hives. And we'll just keep on trying to split, especially since there's so much nectar and pollen, and everything seems to be going really well this spring. Thanks for dropping in. Hope you enjoyed this video. I will put it up on my YouTube page, and I might do some fancy editing where I put a little red circle around that queen cell and an arrow. Have a great afternoon. Ryder out.